Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vora, consultant medical oncologist from Mumbai. Cancer is more than just a medical diagnosis. It is a deeply personal matter. Behind every diagnosis lies a unique human story. Story of grief, pain, healing, resilience, love and more. That's why a patient-centric approach along with compassion and empathy can lead to best health outcomes. So, on this World Cancer Day, let us unite under the common theme, United by Unique. Our simple steps can make huge differences. Know your body as well as your family history. Schedule regular health screenings. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Support cancer patients and survivors, break the stigma and build a community of care. Together, our actions can save lives and make cancer care more compassionate. Act now for a healthier tomorrow. Thank you.